General elections were held in Samoa on 9 April 2021. Before the dissolution of the Legislative Assembly of Samoa on 3 March 2021, Prime Minister Tuilaepa Aiono Sailele Malielegaoi had ordered a commission of inquiry into the absence of opposition politicians and their alleged treasonous acts in misleading the public and campaigning against the government. In March 2021, Fiame Naomi Mataʻafa, a former member of the ruling Human Rights Protection Party and a former deputy prime minister, was elected to lead the main opposition party, Faʻatuatua ila Atua Samoa Tasi. Tuilaepa led the HRPP into the election. Preliminary results showed a tie between the HRPP and FAST, with each winning 25 seats in the Legislative Assembly. This was confirmed in the final count. However, the Samoan Electoral Commission subsequently determined that, with women comprising 9.8% of the elected members, the results did not fulfill a constitutional provision which required that at least 10% of seats be held by women. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.